Hello, and thanks for joining me. In this video, we are going to be talking about assets and how Nextera Office can help you manage. Once we've logged in, we could get to our list of our assets by going under the Financials menu, going to the Assets menu, and choosing View Assets. This will give you a list of the current assets. The assets will be categorized into items that are mine, active, or inactive. Mine represents any assets that are either assigned to you or you're the manager of that asset. Active will let you view all of the active assets, and inactive will let you view the assets that are no longer active. In Nextera Office, you can store a variety of information about your assets. Tag, what kind of asset it is, serial numbers, descriptions. You could even assign assets to users and managers that have to oversee various things about the asset. The location of the asset can be anywhere. This is just a free text field for you. We also then get into the important dates. This includes the last service date, the next service date, certification date, inspection date, and the last inspection date. You'll want to use the next service date and next certification date if you want Nextera Office to remind you of important dates for your assets. Along with the important dates, you also have cost information for the asset, the purchase price, what the value is. You could even keep track of assessing assets if you need to. You'll want to use the end of life if you want Nextera Office to remind you when you need to replace items. Along with that, you could also keep a history for the asset. This includes service history, renewal information, repair details, or any notes. The other values for custom fields, notes about the asset, or even documents that are related to this asset. If I go back to the Financials menu, under Assets, I could view assets that have something coming up. This will give me a list of all the assets that have either a next service date, certification date, inspection date, or end of life coming up. Along with this, under our Asset menu, we could also see assets needing replaced. This will let you quickly see any assets that are marked to be replaced within the next 3 months, next 12 months, or any time in the future. And don't forget, you could adjust the asset types that you have under your config menu, under CRM, under asset types. Here you could break down your assets into categories however best fits you. Remember to visit the Help menu to find even more information, including how-to articles and videos on how to make Nextera Office work best for you.